Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua. We're back to our latest weather analysis for this week. And this is for today, Tuesday until Friday, May 6 to 9, 2025. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best educational institutions here in Naga City and the Bicol region. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. It looks like the LPA 99W, which has traversed Visayas during the weekend, is now weakening LPA over the West Philippine Sea, and it's now located to the west of Luzon. Okay, and it's likely to dissipate in the next couple of days, and multiple thunderstorms will prevail every afternoon in various sections of the country as we still feel the effects of the post-La Nina climate conditions. Okay, so this is usual. Whenever there's a La Nina that has ended, the post effects will continue through the next 3 months. Okay, so it looks like the hot dry season is not being felt totally, but there are the weeks that we still experience some dry conditions. But thanks for these thunderstorms, the farmers are happy enough to feel the effects of this heavy downpour into their farmlands. So right now we have a surface trough here which is moving across the east of Visayas and Mindanao. Here's the latest fast animation. Here's now the surface trough moving into the coastal areas of eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao. It's expected to bring afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms throughout this area, and also across Bicol region and the rest of Luzon and parts of Palawan and Mimaropa. Okay, and here's the latest zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. So here's the remnants of LPA 99W moving northward and continues to decay. So you can see lots of animation of lightnings across the country. And for the rain forecast for the next 7 days, this will be valid until May 12th, election day. This will be our local election day this coming Monday for the Philippines. So right now we could see lots of thunderstorms across various sections of the country. Tomorrow, Wednesday afternoon, we again can see another isolated thunderstorms all throughout the country, where some areas will not experience these kind of thunderstorms because it's such a small cloudiness. So it depends on where it will form. It's very hard to predict this kind of thunderstorm activity. And on Thursday again thunderstorms. Friday there will be again thunderstorms, but it will begin to diminish. Only parts of Luzon will be expected this coming weekend, and some parts of Palawan and Mindanao as well. On Sunday, May 11, which could be which will be Mother's Day, okay, there might still be thunderstorm activity over Mindanao and parts of northern and central Luzon, smaller portions of the Bicol region, and come election day, it will be dry, mostly dry all across the country. And on May 13, only the parts of northern and central Luzon will be expecting some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. For the wind forecast, nothing much. Okay. May 7, Wednesday, here comes the severe trough dissipating over eastern Visayas. Generally, for the rest of the week to the weekend, it will be south to southeasterly winds across the country. Some areas will experience some calm conditions or quiet conditions with no wind whatsoever, particularly the inland areas of the country. And on Sunday through Monday, we'll be expecting a stationary front or a frontal system moving across Batanes, Saguba Islands. So there will be some rains and thunderstorms here, but across the country it will remain dry with some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over northern and central Luzon and Mindanao. And Tuesday, generally quiet still. Okay, and for the wave forecast, nothing much to show you here. For the next 7 days, it will remain quiet, okay, across the East Philippine Sea, up to a meter in wave heights, while the inland waters of the country will remain calm to generally calm, with very light waves of up to half a meter. And here over the West Philippine Sea, it will be below 1 meter in wave heights. So suitable for fishing and sea maritime travel. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this week. And we will return this coming weekend for another update. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Have a great week ahead. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.